Okay, welcome back to another video in the Complete Website Builder tutorial. This is showing you how to use the Mobirise software program to create a free website for your business or your organization. And in this video we're going to cover Mobirise themes. Now these are special designs that Mobirise is creating and now Mobirise users are creating in order to change the whole look of the website. So what we do is first you need to go to your extensions and themes. The themes are for purchase. So the first theme that Mobirise came out with was called Purity M, and I have that one as well. This is the default Mobirise theme. That's what we've been working with in all of the other video tutorials. So that's the one that everyone has access to. And then you can see here there's no price, so I've purchased this one. And then this is a brand new theme that they just introduced called You Play, which is like a gamer's type of theme. But it was actually created from a third-party developer, so that's kind of a new introduction for Mobirise is third-party themes. And you can see you can purchase that for $17. But we're going to start with the Purity M theme because every other video I've been doing has been using Mobirise. So let's go back. Once you purchase that and it's in your software, all you have to do is click on Sites, and this only works. You can't flip themes and change themes on the fly like you would for WordPress. So you have to create a whole new site, and then when you create a new site, you can choose which theme you'd like to use. So let's create a new site, and then now you can see you get a whole choice. So had you had the third theme, it would be here also. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose Purity M. We're going to click OK. And starting to build our site. Alright, we're going to start with a blank slate, just like we normally would. So let's begin to add blocks. Let's go through them. You can see all of the blocks are the same. We have a couple of different, we have these flipped already for us, which is a little different, but we have a video and an audio, a photo. We have a large photo, a large video, SoundCloud. We have the icons. So all of the blocks should be very familiar to you. It's just that the design of the blocks is a little bit different. So let's go ahead and add a few so that you can see. Just go ahead and add a header. And we'll add this. So you can see already that things are a little bit different. We have rounded buttons, which is a little bit different. We have kind of a default text. This is called Playfair Display, which is a very popular font. It's in Google Fonts. And let's add a few more blocks just so you can get a good idea of what's going on. They've also added some different images, which makes it a little bit, gives it a real different style. There's nothing stopping you really from from loading these images in. You just have to find images like this and create it, even using the default theme. One thing I have noticed is that you get a couple of different options here. So this is Allegria Sans and Playfair Display. This is the same font as this. So it looks like a couple of different fonts, ones that are different than what you normally get. This comes with some really nice, looks like new fonts to me that aren't available in the regular default theme. But changing everything is all the same. You just click on it, type it in. You can change the color. So no differences in the way that it reacts, only some stylistic differences. From what I can see, you click on it, you get the image, the video, you can insert an icon. The icons are all the same as they have been in every other theme. And you still have many of the same parameters. So you can choose a background image, show the caption, not show the caption. You can do opacities just like normal. But this is the Purity M theme. And again, when you scroll down through, you can see that there's a few changes here. We got some rounded buttons. You can see the buttons are rounded. And then again, the same footers that you would normally have, just with some different styles. So the links look a little bit different. They have a little thing, hyphen out to the side. But on the whole, nothing has changed with this form as far as its functionality. It should be exactly like using the default theme. Alright, so that is how to start a new website using Mobirise themes, and hopefully in the future they will continue releasing more themes so that you can have a nice place to start out stylistically. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you watch the other videos in the series to learn how to use Mobirise to create a website for your small business or your organization.